Education, to work with them in this novel project.
Right, okay. So time is not there, so we want to give Mr. Dembatu Bakar Daniel.
Thank you very much, Mr. Jamal. I just want to mention just to elaborate on what he has just said. PISCO is an organization that works in the area of education, in the area of health, community development. It works in partnership with the government. And when this project came, the PISCO program manager for health felt it necessary to involve PISCO trainers in this program, because we are trained to teach, and we can train the volunteers within 9 weeks, and they become fluent speakers of the language eventually. So our involvement in this project would help it gradually to obtain its objectives. And because this is a national development, and we are all Gambians, when we are called to deliver our services, we should be very proud to come up and say, yes, we are here. And this is in line with the Ministry of Education and with the policy that PISCO has to work with the government to empower them with skills and knowledge to see that their goals are realized. So our involvement there, I work personally with the Mandinka group. We have developed some materials in our local languages, and we are all trained teachers. So we feel that we can help them, equip them, the teachers, with the knowledge that we have gained already. And during the process of training, we taught these teachers that were selected very well by the skills that we gain from our partners, as Mr. Director earlier mentioned. Okay. This is a chain work, and it involves PISCO and other collaborators. So we are proud to be part of this pilot project.
Okay.
May I say that as far as partners are concerned, we have partners from many places. We have PISCO, even the University of Gambia. We have a linguist from the University of the Gambia who has been with us in the material development. And parents especially, they are our very important partners, as others have said. So we really want to encourage teachers to take it very seriously, because we think it is possible. And the whole world is looking up to Gambia, because from this part of Africa, this project is is being piloted in the Gambia, so that the experience from the Gambia can be expanded to other areas. This is because of our success, the earlier success that we have in the early grade reading program. So I want to say that I want to thank you also for accommodating us.
Right. So thank you so very much, viewers. It's been Education Forum, and we've been talking about early literacy in National Language Project designed by the Minister of Basic and Secondary Education to hone the skills of particularly our pupils in lower grades with the literacy ability to read in our local languages, that they think the fluency in our local language and the fluency in the literacy of our local language will definitely help them in their understanding of other subjects. So thank you so very much, the panelists. I appreciate it, and I also appreciate the viewers for keeping us company all this while. Do join us again next week for a brand new edition. Till then, I'm your host, Mohammed Jamal Sisi. I see you again next week.
Yeah.